What's up guys, hope you're having a great day. So these are just some of the prints that I made recently. I turned my art into prints using just an iPad and a printer, and I thought it'd be really cool if I show you how you could do the same thing. Like most of us, I have a sketchbook where I have a ton of ideas. Let's turn them into prints. I'm sure you have a ton of other drawings too. This is great for artists. If you have a ton of drawings, you can turn them into prints as well. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so first you're going to take a picture of your art, then you open Procreate and create a new canvas. In your new canvas, you want to make sure the dimensions are correct, so you can use the pixels. Right here I'm using A3 plus pixels, but you can look it up on your phone like I did. Most importantly, 300 dpi or dots per inches. Create your canvas. Now we're going to insert the photo that you want to create a print with. Once you have your photo in, then you're going to adjust the size of how big you would like it. Now do the select tool, looks like a ribbon. We're going to hit freeform, draw around the piece of art that you would like to turn into a print. Select it, copy paste, go up to the layers, deselect the original layer, and then now we're going to go to the curves. The curves is basically to make your blacks the blackest and your whites the whitest. Therefore, when you select, it's able to differentiate. We're going to go clean it up here, zoom in, erase, get the edges. Now we're going to copy the one that we just copied and paste. We're going to create a new layer, make that whole new layer black. Then we're going to go to the layer that's black and select masks. Then with 3 fingers swipe down and select paste. We're going to go back to the layers, open up the options. Then we're going to select invert. Once you have inverted it, you're going to use 2 fingers, combine those 2 layers, and now we have created a layer that is just the black inks and gotten rid of the background. Now we're going to go here into print. Oh, don't forget, before you print it, you want to get rid of that background layer, otherwise your printer is going to print that white layer. So now we just have the inks. When we go to PNG print, it will print just the ink. I have a Canon printer, so I'm going to print it with that. I'm going to make sure you change your print settings. My paper size we are going for is 8.5 by 11. And we want borders. And we're not using photo paper. I'm going to be printing it out on fine art paper. And there we go. And then make sure at the bottom it is set up. And then we will go and you will hit print. All right, guys, so that's it, turning your sketchbook art into prints. If you have any questions, just go ahead and DM me or comment. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. And yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, also, by the way, I will be selling them. So if you're down with the frogs and maybe you want to buy one, you can go ahead down into the link right here and go ahead and purchase one from me. I greatly appreciate it. Later.